Hey everyone. Backtesting is the only way to prove your strategy works before risking real money. But not everyone wants to pay for a premium subscription. Today, I'm showing you the 2026 guide on how to access the bar replay tool for free so you can get your reps in without the monthly bill. Let's get to the charts. Step 1. Select your asset and time frame. Open any chart on TradingView. Now here is the free tier rule. For the free version, bar replay only works on daily, weekly, and monthly timeframes. If you try to use it on the 1 minute or 1 hour chart without a paid plan, you'll get a subscription prompt. So make sure your time frame is set to D for daily. Step 2. Activate bar replay. Look at the top toolbar of your chart. You'll see an icon that looks like a backward arrow with 2 vertical lines. That's the bar replay button. Click it. Your cursor will turn into a blue vertical line with a pair of scissors, meaning you're ready to cut the data. Step 3. Choose your start point. Scroll back in time to the date you want to start your backtest. Click once on the specific candle where you want the future data to disappear. Everything to the right of that click will vanish, giving you a clean slate to test your predictions as if you were trading in real time. Step 4. Use the playback controls. A small control panel will appear at the bottom of your screen. You can hit the play button to watch the candles print automatically, or use the forward button to reveal one candle at a time, which is much better for analyzing your entry signals. You can also adjust the speed slider if the candles are moving too fast for you. Step 5. Exit and reset. Once you've finished your session, just hit the X on the replay toolbar, or click Jump to Real Time to bring your chart back to the current market price. You can repeat this as many times as you want on any asset, as long as you stay on those higher timeframes. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.